Having a passion for 4x4 campervans and watching them on the road everywhere is one thing, and being crazy for the campervans but enjoying their unique vibe is another thing to want. Well, I am the second one. I want to grab the most unmatched road machines, travel in them, and create memories in my style. I'm jealous of watching the same vehicle as mine have others. So this video is all about the limited editions that have no match, and the owners have every right to be proud of it. But before enjoying the video, give us a subscription click, and in return, you'll get the unique vehicles. Starting the video with the award-winning number 1, the Retro Rebel. What do you think makes it the best motorhome? Its base variant is manufactured with the Mercedes Sprinter, offers a top-class trim, and provides you with safety and comfort. This means that this basic variant is all tailored to the needs of the best motorhome. These specifications provide you with an ultimate RP owner's experience. Even the steering performs multitasking and is adjustable for managing the heights, tilt, and cruise control. Step in and you'll be entertained with the 10 megabyte unit and Mercedes 17-inch alloys. Driver and co-driver enjoy the high back seats and armrest, and not only this, but also heated seats are to give them a cozy vibe. LTE is equipped with a communication module, and for digital services, there is a PRO Connect, while the heavy-duty battery of 12 volts 92 amp hours is also not easily ignorable. But can you ignore active brake assistance, crosswind assist, and blind spot assist not only in heated mirrors but also in electrical operations, adaptive brake lights, auto cruise control, and attention assist? Well, there's much more. But the question is, do you have enough time to watch all marvels or not? Anyway, the next amusing vehicle that turns so many heads toward it is number 2, Hymer Grand Canyon S Crossover. You don't want to give up on comfort, opulence, and sophistication? Then what are you waiting for? Go and grab the Hymer Grand Canyon S on the road and enjoy a mind-blowing trip with this amazing off-road machine. This machine hits you differently when you see the vehicles nod negatively to the road. It showcases you how and what a 4x4 campervan can do on the most impossible and rugged roads. Its innovations scream loud and sophisticated yells when you enjoy a sun deck and a BBQ party on the rooftop. This limited edition is a dream of wonders collectors, and its off-road capabilities continuously keep showing off to those who seek for adventurous trips. It kills you with its futuristic design and mind-twisting technology. Get inside and enjoy the well-maintained living space, including a cozy sleeping area, just in case if you're tired. Well, to me, it's a whole home. Yeah, you'll never miss home amenities while traveling. A whole working kitchenette, a fully functional bathroom, and occupants of the vehicle can enjoy the rooftop amenities. Moreover, guys, this machine is also built on the base of Mercedes-Benz. So, yeah, the reliability is not questionable. Well, the next impressive addition that is going to be on the list is number 3, Airstream Interstate 24X, which knows how to turn your head. Decades of designing RVs and utilizing every inch of a vehicle have taught the manufacturers about how a design can turn your trip into a lifetime memory. A compact box is fully designed with a whole home, cozy bedding, a lavish interior, a convertible living area, and smart kitchen space, which has turned the van life like looking forward to every day on the road. You know, the conclusion is it can go wherever you want to, and has the flexibility to stay wherever you want to. Well, if you ask me, I can't forget my stay with the most powerful body, advanced and clever, off-road power system. Yes, I got the chance to drag myself into the trip, and I didn't miss it. The most impressive feature of this box was its tiltable driving and front seat, which made me stunned for a while. Yes, both seats can tilt to the back, and you guys can enjoy the party. Although, many more smart and impressive amenities switch my attention from the scenery, especially the storage capacity under the bench. There was plenty of space for loading and unloading the large equipment such as paddleboards, fishing gear, and bicycles. Let's see how the next 4x4 van made its place for being on the list. But before that, make some crazy preparations. Set the exciting destination, grab your expedition vehicle, and be on the road. If the idea sounds mad, do it quick and hit not only the road, but also on the like button and join us for more madness. Number 4, Torsus Terrastorm 4x4. Want to watch the blend of luxury, royalty, reliability, and performance? Come and enjoy the ride on this magical vehicle. You can have an idea of reliability as it is designed with military-grade components. When this minibus turned into a 4x4 campervan, nothing could stand between you and your off-road journey. So, let's have a look at how. For those who are looking for a powerful grip while off-roading, listen carefully. This is the best choice. In this regard, as it is built on a Volkswagen Crafter/MAN TGE 4Motion frame and is equipped with 8-speed automatic transmission. Oh, the thing that brings it into the limelight is it was awarded the Van of the Year in 2020. It is upgraded in both on- and off-road suspension. Yeah, no doubt, it looks quite smaller than the company's larger-than-life Praetorian, but believe me, this smart machine is capable of conquering the roads and trails that are less visited. Hey, don't worry. It can tackle successfully the watery route of 27 inches without giving it a second thought. Sounds like a perfect partner in all types of terrains. Well, the next marvelous machine is number 5, Sportsmobile Classic, which is all set to hit the roads. But the question is, are you ready to hit the rocky grounds or tough terrains or not? If so, meet this Ford's Classic E-Series, which has been turned into a roughest camping rig by Sportsmobile. It is said that it has been inspired by the retro design and off-road capabilities. Bingo. Gonna crack the bumpy, rocky, and rugged terrains with its swampy and solid material, and you're not gonna be disappointed in it. Whatever it offers, but its customization options are just outclassed, and you are free to build up an off-grid vehicle, all of your choice. Although the basic modular is also enough to impress, as it is equipped with a pop-top roof, and its dampers keep body movements under control, while during long travels, its all-terrain wheels scramble for the robust grip on the ground. The company has been in the market for more than 50 years, and now, after experiencing their venture into this business, we can say it has a keen eye for crafting the best designs, luxury and smart technology, and practicality in all terrain. Well, this is too much. Let's pick the next one. Are you ready to get a more exciting vehicle that has the power to triumph over the challenges and face them with full confidence? Meet the beautiful number 6, Bliss Mobil 4x4 Campervan. By manufacturing the truck-independent models, Bliss Mobil has introduced to us the genuine meaning of independent traveling. These models are manufactured to fit all types of trucks. The innovative specifications in them have differentiated them from others. It is a thoughtful design that can be easily seen when you step in. Bedding is for 2 people, while the sofa can accommodate you if 1 more bed is required. Ah, look at the kitchen and seating area, and the space coverage looks quite sensible. This 8-foot Expedition Bliss is actually a blessing, as the kitchen is set with the fridge, freezer, 2 induction hobs, and rest of the amenities are optional, but have enough space to set in. Moreover, the cabins have sufficient boxes that have been working with the latest technology to make the vehicle self-sufficient for the long roads. Optional but upgraded package enhances the battery performance to 660 amp-hours. Oh, the impressive gray water turns to a fresh water system, also crafted with an additional water filter system. These all amenities ensure the long and happy stay, far from home, and the good thing you don't miss homes because you have all your home on the road, under the wheels. Yes, I often think when you have such perfect motorhomes, why would one need a home? I mean, have a fantastic expedition vehicle. Choose your destination to rise up in the morning at your favorite place. Go anywhere you want. Breathe freely, live independently, and enjoy every second, every moment of life. This is what we should call life. What do you say?